This parcel of rough opal has 7 pieces in a total of 135 carats. This is quite a sandy knobby and has a small chance of cutting something out of it. It might be best as a specimen. This one's got a nice little stone there. Take that sand off, see what happens, not sure. Nice little bit of colour. It's a nice white knobby with a bit of crystal colour sitting on top. Might be best to Dremel that to get all that colour out. It's a fair bit of depth to that colour, so you probably cut something okay out of that. And lucky last piece. Quite a fun piece, that one. Nice colour, bit of potch going through it. Quite fun. Bit of a picture stone. And that's it.